Brady, come. Brady! Come here, Bobby. You're gonna get it. Come here. Ah! Baby girl. Aw, you yawning. See all the geese over there in the water? That's what you want, huh? You go for a walk? You go for a walk? You're silly. See how she shakes her ass. Bobby! Come here, Bobby! Brady! Come here, Bobby! Brady! Orange finger. That's what Chick's hair with food coloring. Kool-Aid, that's what it is. You see that? It's messed up. Brady! Brady, come! That's it, you're gonna get it. Excuse me. What are you eating? Get down here now! Oh no. You got ready! Ah, Brady, no! Get off me! Brady! Ah! Brady! Get off me! Oh! Brady, get off me now! You rapist. So yeah, what I gotta deal with? What a bitch. Brady, no! Now. Mwah. You rapist. I'm showing Dad this. You're ground. No. You need to stop raping people. That's gross. Say bye. Bye. What are you watching? She's gonna kill somebody. Oh no! No, not again. No, Brady, get the fuck off me now. Asshole.